Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back again to another one of
All Toys Unboxed with
John and
Laura. Hi, guys.
welcome back, everyone. This is one that I've been waiting for. Well, actually, I had it for like a week, but I had to, get it out there, and this is the only chance I'm getting actually right now to show you guys what Mr. Charles Xavier, aka Professor X, the new Marvel Legends figures is all about. This is the 80th year Marvel anniversary. This place, this character, not this place. I'm all over the place tonight. This character right here is incredible. It just reminds me of the 90s, when I was a kid. But we're going to get right into this quick. Here he is, finally. Looking nice. I like the suit, the tie, real cool, the face, everything. Well, you're going to see it better once I get him out of the box. Then we got the Kingpin. This is, I believe, the Demon Head. This is one of his other exchangeable heads. This is for the Kingpin Build-A-Figure character, actually. This is one of the sides of the chair, looking very cool. I like the color of the details. That's the other side right there. We got Cerebro right here. Looking nice. That's the helmet. You'll see it in a second. Looking good. And this is like the booster, or exhaust. You could make him look like, he's off the ground or something like that. This is the side of the box. Cool picture of Professor X in the chair. This is the back. That's him right there, hovering.
Oh, that's a cool piece.
Yeah, real nice. And then right there, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get that a little clearer for you guys. But anyways, that's in the back of the box. This is what we have in the corner. So you got Deadpool. That's the other figure that came out with this one. And there's all his accessories. So let's get right into this so you guys can see. Alright guys, so here we have all the accessories that came with Charles Xavier, aka Professor X. The cool chair right here. Incredible. It comes in two pieces. And, this is for when you want to hover or whatever.
Yeah, it's like a little effect that comes out from the bottom of the chair.
You just clip it on the bottom. We'll get into that. Then you have the cushion, the back seat, little blanket, the head again, Cerebro with some psychedelic effects. Anywho, let's get into the character. Here we go. Been waiting for this guy for a while. Look at this. Looking real cool. Look at the face. This reminds me when I was a kid. It looks just like the cartoon. Real nice. Look at that face.
Wow, so much detail.
Real sharp, clear. Yeah. You can see right into the shoulder there, but that's no big deal. That's how it goes. Look at the jacket. Really nice. The tie opens up. There's the shirt. Cool belt. Look at that. Nice. The legs. The boots. Very, very cool. Look at the arms. So it's like right here, like when he's reading minds. You get that effect. Then he has the holding hand. Maybe have a little cup of water or something. I'm pretty sure he gets thirsty after he got to read everybody's minds. So let's check this out with articulation. Once again, look at that face. Dead on. Dead on. Sorry about the black paint. That's me. I'm working on something earlier. So the head does turn side to side. We do get a swivel. Very cool. Let's check out the arms. They go up that high. They do turn. We got double jointed elbows on this one. Real nice. The hands do have a little swivel too. Go forwards, backwards. Same on the other side. Again, double jointed. They do have the bicep swivel, obviously. Then the waist right here. Yes, you could bend. Pretty cool. He's looking down. He's looking up. That's not bad. There's the leg that high. And we could bend that. Double jointed. Very cool. Here goes the bottom. Little swivel, not too much. Up and down on both sides. Very, very cool though still. Look at that neck. You can look all the way up. See what's going on. Alright. So that's your guy right there. Now we're going to get into all the accessories. All right, now the accessories. Here's the chair. Very nice. Look at that. Let's put this together. So that's basically it. It's 2 pieces. You see? Put them together. There's an opening right here. That's where you clip everything on. Just line it up, match it, push it in. And that's it. That's basically it. Make sure everything's sealed nice and tight. So there's the side, front shot, another side shot, back shot. There's the bottom. There's the inside. All right, here we go.
Little seat cushion.
Now here we go. There's the back of the seat. Real cool. Okay, so we clip that on there. So you push this down all the way. That's it, and that clips in there. Look at that. That's nice. That looks cool. And then we have the little cushion right here.
That has so much detail.
Goes, yeah, very nice. Look at that. Looks real. Like leather.
It is plastic,
Yes.
but it looks like a leather plush seat.
Very nice. Push that right in. Just like that. Real simple. Pretty simple, as you can see. Very, very cool. And then, of course, this is the other option you have. This is a little effect. If you want him hovering, just clip that on right there.
That's cool.
And there you go, just like that. This is a little blanket that goes over him. Goes right in there. Once he's in there, this covers his legs so he stays nice and warm. Well, look at that. That is sick. That is sick. All right, let's check out the head. So this is that. What was this guy's name again?
That's Kingpin. So that's Build-A-Figure Kingpin. So you get his head.
No, but the name, the demon name was what was it?
Kingpin.
I forget. No, it was a character that takes over Kingpin.
No, we'll figure that one
Yeah,
out.
but anyhow, look at that. Really cool. Really, really, really cool. Look at those teeth. That is crazy. Anyways, here we have Cerebro. Looking very, very cool. There you go. And this also comes with this special effect. You just clip it right on. Looking really, really, really nice. All right, let's try that on. Let's bring him over. Let's put that right on his head. There we go. Look at that. Looking real, real cool. Let's get him in. Okay. There we go. Fix him up. Hold him up straight. So you get the effect. You know, he's reading minds right now. He's hunting for the mutants, searching for the mutants to save them. Very, very cool. Look at that. That is awesome. I forgot. Let me see what we have here. Does this pop open? Oh, no. It would have been cool if it did. Very, very, very nice, though. Wait, oh, no. These slide to the side. There we go.
Oh, wow.
That's what it is. So I forgot about this part, guys. Right there.
That's really cool.
And then this is like a cool screen, too. Really nice. Let's cover his legs. He's cold. Gotta keep him warm. But this is really, really awesome. Really awesome. So there you go. That's it. Charles Xavier, Professor X. The head. You guys let me know what do you think of this. I mean, even if you don't have it yet, I know it's a little pricey, but it's definitely worth getting. Definitely worth getting. It took me a while. I waited a little bit, but I finally got it. Very happy. Very sick.
That's a nice character.
Yeah.
You guys can leave in comments below. Let us know what you like, what you don't like.
Oh, yeah.
Let us know if you if you want to know where to get one, stuff like that.
Yeah, just give us a heads up. But you definitely need this guy for your collection, especially if you're an X-Men fan. I mean, X-Men is ain't nobody without Professor X. But I'm going to get a couple other guys so you guys can see how they all look together. All right, guys. So this is how they basically line up and size up. This is Professor X again. Next to him, of course, you got Cyclops, the Marvel Legends one. Very cool figure to have, too. I'm telling you, you got to have these. Of course, over here, we have...
Jean Grey.
Beautiful. Well, I got to get the Phoenix version, but that one will do for now. We have Multiple Men right over here. Real cool with his trench. And, of course, we have Wolverine, but this is the Rebel Tech Wolverine. Very nice. I prefer this one over the Marvel Legends ones. But, you know, they'll get there. The Wolverines are very, very tricky. But there you go. And there's a little brick wall in the background diorama. So you can see how they size up and they look together. Once again, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you guys watching our videos and, you know, spreading the word and helping us, you know, support our channel. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any comments down below.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Thank you guys for everything. Have a good one. Bye.